Alright, so we're going to tie Sprinkles vines up farther today. Okay, so it is April 23rd. It's Saturday. Yeah, I think that's the 23rd. Oh well. And I just finished pinning Mama Sprinkles up again. I think I did maybe 3 weeks to a month ago. And I want to say she was up like halfway up the wall of this greenhouse, and now she's pretty much to the ceiling. The next time that I do a pinning, she's definitely going to be tethered to the frame of the actual roof. So she's big. She's a majestic, big, beefy vine monster, like in a good way. But I found like 3 more vines towards the ground that I had to guide upwards, down on this side to the far right, and on my left, or her left, out all the way to the edge of the box over here. But she pretty much takes up the entire thing now. But yeah, this is her box. So this right here, this deeper green with the crinkly leaves, that's denser. This is the patio tomato. That's kind of right in the middle here. And Sprinkles, which is the neighboring tomato, kind of just went up and out in all directions around the patio. So they look very different, even though they're both tomato plants. Again, this one, the patio is very dense and small, and Sprinkles is very long and big. Like all of these vines up here, those are her. Those are all Sprinkles. And then underneath her, over here in these 2 trellises, there are actually 4 separate pepper plants, and they're kind of hugged by Sprinkles vines, and she's protecting them. And they're still alive and producing peppers, but you just can't really see them because they're just, she's just on them. Mama's big. Big mama. But yeah, she's a big, beautiful baby. This is, again, all one tomato plant. This is the Chocolate Sprinkles Prime. Still going, still producing lots of little sprinkle baby tomatoes. They're everywhere. Look at all that. So many tomatoes. And this is just the one. Mama is strong.